Jordan brand continues pushing creative boundaries with the Air Jordan 1 Mid, and the upcoming Hemp SE release is no exception. Designed for fall 2025, this lifestyle-focused sneaker combines elevated craftsmanship with earthy tones for a grounded, seasonal vibe. The standout features include a mix of hemp-colored nubuck and light Orewood Brown suede, paired with shaggy laces and fuzzy suede swooshes that emphasize its handcrafted feel. Tonal branding and a color-matched box add a premium, personalized touch, while multiple lace sets let wearers switch up their style. A sail midsole and slightly tinted rubber outsole provide a vintage-inspired finish that complements the natural palette. The Air Jordan 1 Mid SE Hemp blends laid-back aesthetics with Jordan heritage, showcasing how classic designs can evolve for modern tastes. Releasing this fall on Nike.com and select retailers, this pair offers both lifestyle flair and collectible appeal, all while staying true to the brand's innovative spirit.